Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make banana bread for beginners. First, gather your ingredients: 3 to 4 very ripe bananas, 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, and 1/2 cup of softened unsalted butter. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and baking soda. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare a 9x 5-inch loaf pan. Start by mashing your very ripe bananas in a large bowl until mostly smooth. In a separate bowl, cream together the 1/2 cup of softened butter and 1 cup of sugar until light and fluffy. Next, beat in the 2 large eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated. Stir in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a lovely aroma and flavor. Now, in a separate bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients: 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Gradually add this dry mixture to your wet ingredients, mixing gently until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make your bread tough. Pour the batter into your prepared 9x 5-inch loaf pan. Bake your banana bread for 50 to 60 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. This helps prevent it from sticking and makes slicing easier. Enjoy your delicious homemade banana bread. For more great recipes and stories, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.